Hi everybody, welcome to my eating show. Let's start the video. You guys, so today I'm back and I'm about to eat a chicken patty.
A fried chicken patty.
Oh, and this is a fried chicken patty. And I fried this too. It's really good. Let's take a bite.
Let's get started. I took a bite of it so I can taste it. So let's take a bite. Let's put it off. Because I don't think I can bread on it. It's pretty good.
That was actually pretty good.
I don't know where I had on because it's kind of cold.
Let me go get my cup of water. Alright guys, I got some water. Good, let's go put this back. I put my cup of water back. I'll start back eating.
See it drip? See it's all dripping? No. Excuse me,
Guys, that's it for all.
That's it. That's all. Peace.
Alright, you guys. I think that's it. Alright, bye.